Alright, this is off of 19.5 intek Briggs & Stratton. I've cleaned it with the Dremel brush, stainless steel wire brush. Started great, did wonderful. Started like it never had before, like it was brand new. Actually took the valves out, cleaned them. Then had a problem with shearing off a flywheel key. Been having problems with this motor. Breaking push rods, so I don't know what's going to happen. We'll see. But I ended up taking the head off again because I had a little blow through on the side right here. It was uneven. Some parts had stayed on. I had cleaned that off, and so put the Durco on it, but just didn't get a good enough seal. So what I did this time, and we'll see how good it works, is I went ahead and took all the residue off with the Dremel, which took a little while. And I'm going to put a heavier coat of the Durco HT on. I thought about putting gasket material on both sides, but that's going to waste some of that Durco HT, and I'm just going to try it this way. I do have a kit coming in, so if it doesn't work, I'll just go with the brand new gasket. We'll see how it goes. I think I'll be able to get back to this in a little bit because it looks like the rain has stopped.